Welcome, today in front of me POCO F4 and I'll show you all the box accessories with which our device comes. So let's first open the box here. In this paper box, let's open it. We can see the SIM eject tool and some paperwork like the quick start guide, the safety guide, and the warranty card here. So also I have here the 3.5mm headphones adapter, just this one, so we can use it by this way. This first the adapter, and after that we can use the the headphones with a 3.5mm just cable. Also we have here the protective case, the silicone protective clear case, and also I have here the USB Type-C cable and the original charger brick. So that's it. That's all of the box accessories with which our POCO device comes. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.